Good morning, students. Today now let us continue the chapter pair of linear equation in two variables. First, recall the points in a graphical methods. A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. The two pair of lines, intersecting lines. Second, unique solution. Third, consistent. A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. The condition is that the two lines are intersecting, unique solution, consistent. Next, second condition. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Coincident lines. One line lie on the another line. Coincident lines. It is a many solution. Consistent. Many solution consistent. Third condition. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. The two lines are parallel. No solution. Inconsistent. First, A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Unique solution. Many solution. No solution. First question. And comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equation intersect at a point or parallel or coincident lines. Intersect at a point, parallel or coincident point. First question. 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Solution. Let A1 by A2, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A1 by A2, 5 by 7, B1 by B2, minus 4 by 6, C1 by C2, 8 by 9. First condition, A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 oda value 5 by 7, B1 by B2 oda value minus 4 by 6. First condition is satisfied. A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore, the two lines are intersect. It is a unique solution. Intersect at a unique solution. Second question. 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. Solution. Let A1, A2, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Let A1 by A2, A1 oda value 9, A2 oda value 18. Cancelling, 1 9s are 9, 2 9s are 18, 1 by 2. B1 by B2, 3 by 6, 3 by 6. Cancelling 3 table, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 1 by 2. C1 by C2, C1 oda value 12, C2 oda value 24, 12 by 24, 1 12s are 12, 2 12s are 24, 1 by 12. Therefore, the condition A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, coincident lines, it is a infinitely many solution. Coincident lines meaning one line lies on the another line. Coincident lines, it is a infinite many solution. 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. A1, B1, C1 oda value. A2, B2, C2. A1 oda value 6. B1 oda value minus 3. C1 oda value 10. A2 oda value 2. B2 oda value minus 1. C1 oda value 9. Let A1 by A2 6 by 2. Cancel பண்ணீங்கன்னா 3. B1 by B2 oda value minus 3 by minus 1, minus cancel, 3 by 1 oda value 3. C1 by C2 10 by 9. Therefore, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 oda value 3, B1 by B2 oda value 3, but not equal to 10 by 9. C1 by C2 oda value 10 by 9. Therefore, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, the parallel lines, this condition is parallel lines and no solution, Second question, and comparing the ratios a1 by b2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, find out whether the following pair of linear equation are consistent or inconsistent. Consistent or inconsistent. Unique solution consistent, many solution consistent, no solution inconsistent. No solution, it is a inconsistent. Unique solution oda condition a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Many solution oda condition a1 by a2 b1 by b2 c1 by c2. No solution oda condition a1 by a2 b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. First question, 3x plus 2y equal to 5, 2x minus 3y equal to 7. First in the constant term, left hand side or right hand side same இருக்கணும். இந்த equation left hand side இல்லை right hand side same on both side. 3x plus 2y equal to 5, 2x minus 3y equal to 7. ரெண்டுமே right hand side இருக்கு. அப்போ c1 ஓட value 5, c2 ஓட value 7. let a1 by a2 ஓட value 3 by 2. b1 by b2 oda value 2 by minus 3. Therefore first condition satisfied, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. It is consistent. b1 by b2 is consistent. Second question, 2x minus 3y equal to 8, 4x minus 6y equal to 9. Let a1 by a2 oda value, a1 oda value 2, a2 oda value 4. 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2, b1 oda value minus 3, b2 oda value minus 6, minus minus cancel, 1 by 2. c1 by c2, c1 oda value 8, c2 oda value 9. Therefore a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 8 by 9. It is not equal to c1 by c2. Therefore it is a inconsistent. Third question, 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y equal to 7, 9x minus 10y equal to 14. a1 oda value 3 by 2, b1 oda value 5 by 3, c1 oda value 7, a2 oda value 9, b2 oda value minus 10, c2 oda value 14. Solution, a1 by a2, 3 by 2 by 9, 3, 2, the 2 denominator on the 2 into 9, 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 1 by 6. b1 by b2, 5 by 3 into minus 10, 5 by, the denominator 3 into minus 10, 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 1 by minus 10. The 1 by 6 not equal to 1 by minus 10. That is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore it is a unique solution. It is a consistent. The pair of linear equation is consistent. Fourth, 5x minus 3y equal to 11, minus 10x plus 6y equal to minus 22. Solution, let a1 by a2, a1 oda value 5, a2 oda value minus 10, 5 by minus 10 equal to 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 1 by 2. b1 by b2 equal to b1 oda value minus 3, b2 oda value 6. அப்போ 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. c1 by c2, c1 oda value 11, c2 oda value minus 22. Cancel பண்ணினா 1 by 2. 1 levels are 11, 2 levels are 22. Therefore 3 values are equal. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Therefore the pair of linear equation is consistent. Fifth question, 4 by 3x plus 2y equal to 8, 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Check the condition. Let a1 by a2, a1 oda value 4 by 3 by 2, 4 by 3 into 2. Denominator move ஆயிடுச்சுனா 3 into 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 by 3. a1 by a2 oda value 2 by 3. b1 by b2, b1 oda value 2, b2 oda value 3. b1 by b2 oda value 2 by 3. c1 by c2, c1 oda value 8, C2 ஓட வேல்யூ 12. அப்போ 8 by 12. Cancelling 4 table. 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Therefore, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. It is consistent. The pair of linear equation is consistent. It is a many solution. Third question. Which of the following pair of linear equation are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. First, in the pair of linear equation, consistent or inconsistent check பண்ண சொல்றாங்க. Suppose consistent இருந்தால் அதனுடைய சொல்யூஷனை கிராஃபிக்கல் மெத்தடில் சால்வ் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. First question, x plus y equal to 5, 2x plus 2y equal to 10. First check the condition. A1 by A2, A1 ஓட வேல்யூ 1, A2 ஓட வேல்யூ 2, 1 by 2. B1 by B2, B1 ஓட வேல்யூ 1, B2 ஓட வேல்யூ 2, 1 by 2. C1 by C2, 5 by 10, 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 1 by 2. Therefore 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. It is consistent. It is a infinite many solution. It is consistent. The solution graphically find out பண்ண போறோம். X plus y equal to 5, y equal to 5 minus x. 2x plus 2y equal to 10, 2y equal to 10 minus 2x, y equal to 10 minus 2x by 2. Apply the value x. First choosing the value 2. 5 minus 2 oda value 3. Next 3. 5 minus 3 oda value 2. Next x oda value 4 apply பண்றோம். 5 minus 4 oda value 1. Therefore 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1. Next choose the value x oda value 2 apply பண்றோம். 10 minus 2 2s are 4 by 2. 10 minus 4 oda value 6. 6 by 2 oda value 3. Next 3 apply பண்றோம். 2 3s are 6. 10 minus 6 oda value 4. 10 minus 6 by 2. 4 by 2, 2. Next 4 apply பண்றோம். 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8 oda value 2. 2 by 2 oda value 1. Therefore 2 3 4 value 3 to 1. 2 3 4 apply பண்ணால value 3 to 1. Therefore same one line lies on the another line. Therefore the solution set 2 3, 3 2, 4 1. The solution x equal to 2, y equal to 3. X equal to 3, y equal to 2. X equal to 4, y equal to 1. Check பண்ணி பாருங்க. 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 2 5, 4 plus 1 5. It is a many solution. 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0, 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Let a1 by a2, a1 oda value 2, a2 oda value 4, 2 by 4. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 by 2. Next b1 by b2, 1 by minus 2. b1 oda value 1, b2 oda value minus 2. Therefore a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 oda value 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. b1 by 2 oda value minus 1 by 2. a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by 2. It is consistent. It is a unique solution. Solve graphically method. 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. y equal to minus 6 right hand side move on 6 plus 2x right hand side move on minus 2x. 6 minus 2x minus 2y right hand side move on 2y equal to 4x minus 4. y equal to 4x minus 4 multiply right hand side on the divide 4x minus 4 by 2. x oda value 0 apply பண்றோம். 2 into 0 0. 6 minus 0 oda value 6. Next x by 1 apply பண்றோம். 2 into 1 2. 6 minus 2 oda value 4. 2 apply பண்றோம். 2 2s are 4. 6 minus 4 oda value 2. Choosing the value 0 apply பண்ணீங்கன்னா minus 2. 1 apply பண்ணீங்கன்னா 4. 2 apply பண்ணீங்கன்னா 2. செக் பண்ணி பாருங்க. x க்கு பதில் 0 apply பண்றீங்க. 0 minus 4 by 2 minus 4 by 2 minus 2. 1 அப்ளை பண்ணிங்கன்னா 4 minus 4 ஓட வேல்யூ 0/2, 0 by anything 0. 2 அப்ளை பண்ணிங்கன்னா 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 4 4/2, 4/2 ஓட வேல்யூ 2. Draw the graph in this point. The two lines are intersect at the point 2, 2. Therefore the solution is x equal to and y equal to 2. Third sum, x minus y equal to 8, 3x minus 3y equal to 16. Let a1 by a2, a1 oda value 1, x oda coefficient 1, a2 oda value 3, a1 by a2 1 by 3, b1 by b2 minus 1 by minus 3, minus minus cancel 1 by 3, c1 by c2, c1 oda value 8, c2 oda value 16, 1 2 8s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 not equal to 1 by 2. Therefore a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. It is a inconsistent. Fourth question, 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0, 4x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Let a1 by a2 2 by 4 cancel பண்ணிங்கன்னா 1 by 2, b1 by b2 minus 2 by minus 4, minus minus cancel 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, c1 by c2 minus 2 by minus 5, minus minus cancel 2 by 5. First two values same but last value 2 by 5. Therefore a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. It is inconsistent. Given linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0, write another linear equation. In the equation write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of pair of linear equation formed intersecting lines, parallel lines, coincident lines. இந்த லைன்ஸுக்கு பேரலாக இன்டர்செக்டிங் லைன் ஒன்று, பேரலல் லைன்ஸு கோஇன்சிடென்ட் லைன்ஸ் வர போல் ஈக்குவேஷனை ஃபார்ம் பண்ணணும். 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. இந்த இன்டர்செக்டிங் லைனோட கண்டிஷன் a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. இந்த லைனுக்கு பேரலாக இந்த கண்டிஷன் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை பண்ணுற போல் ஈக்குவேஷனை ஃபார்ம் பண்ணணும். நம்ம 3x plus 5y plus 7 equal to 0ன்ற ஈக்குவேஷனை ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுறோம். a1 by a2 ஓட வேல்யூ 2 by 3 not equal to b1 by b2 3 by 5. It is satisfied. நீங்கள் வேறு another any equation choose பண்ணலாம். 11x plus 3y 4y, 11x plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. நம்மளுக்கு இந்த கண்டிஷன் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை பண்ணோம். a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by பேரலாக 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal 0. இந்த பேரலல் கண்டிஷன் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை பண்ணுற போல் ஈக்குவேஷன் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணோம். பேரலல் கண்டிஷன் a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. நான் இதை 2 ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை 2 2s are 4x 6y plus 11 சூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். பாருங்கள் 2 by 4 ஓட வேல்யூ 1 by 2, 3 by 6 ஓட வேல்யூ 1 by 2 not equal to minus 8 by 11. Therefore the parallel condition is satisfied. Coincident lines condition a1 by a2 b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. அப்போ 4x plus 6y minus 16 சூஸ் பண்ணுறேன். 2 by 4 ஓட வேல்யூ 1 by 2, 3 by 6 ஓட வேல்யூ 1 by 2, minus 8 by minus 16 ஓட வேல்யூ 1 by 2. 3 conditions a1 by a2 1 by 2, b1 by 2 1 by 2, c1 by c2 1 by 2. Therefore the two pair of linear equation is coincident lines. Fifth question, draw the graph of the equation x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Determine the coordinate of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region. Solution, x minus y plus 1 equal to 0, minus y right hand side move on, y equal to x plus 1. 2y equal to minus 12 right hand side 12 minus 3x, y equal to 12 minus 3x by 2. Choosing the point, x oda value 0 apply பண்ணிங்கன்னா 0 plus 1 1, 1 apply பண்ணிங்கன்னா 1 plus 1 oda value 2, 2 apply பண்ணிங்கன்னா 2 plus 1 3. Choosing any point your choice, x க்கு பதில் 0 apply பண்ணிங்கன்னா 12 minus 0 oda value 12, 12 by 2 oda value 6. 2 apply பண்ணிங்கன்னா 3 2s are 6, 12 minus 6 ஓட வேல்யூ 6 by 2 ஓட வேல்யூ 3. 4 apply பண்ணிங்கன்னா 3 4s are 12, 12 minus 12 ஓட வேல்யூ 0, 0 by anything 0. Draw the graph. In this point, the two lines are intersecting. The solution set is 2, 3. Shade the region x-axis. Shade the region x-axis. This is x-axis, y-axis. Shade in x-axis. This region is shaded, the portion. Therefore, the triangular region is -1, 0, 2, 3 and 4, 0.